Hello friends. In this video, we will learn how to install SQL Server 2022 on Windows 11. Let's start. So first, you need to go to the browser and search for Microsoft SPS Server download. I already have this window open. Still, I'll tell you where to search for it. Go to Google first and type SQL Server 2022 download. Click on this. You'll get the first link. Click on it and you will find it here. So here you are getting the Express edition and the developer edition. So for now we will download the developer edition. So I am clicking on download. It will take a few minutes to download. So it is downloading. So my download is complete. Let's start this. Yes. This is the developer edition. It is completely free. So for now I will start the basic edition. Please accept all the terms and conditions. You can put it in whatever location you want. So I will keep it at the default C location. Click on install. So this will take a few minutes for installation. So you can see it is downloading these files online. I will pause the video until this download is complete.
The download is approximately complete.
Now the installation process is starting. It will take a few minutes for the installation to complete. So let's wait for it to finish, yeah? All right, let's start the next steps. So here you can see that your installation has been successfully completed. Now to use it, you can use it from the command prompt, or if you need a GUI, you will have to download the SQL Server Management Studio. So let's go ahead and download and install it. Click on the Yes option. So here you see the option to download SSMS Server Management Studio. Click on this. This option is visible. So please click on it. Whatever latest edition you are getting, it will be downloaded in a few minutes. Then as soon as it is downloaded, we install it. Our download is now complete. Let's install it. Wherever your exe file is downloaded, double click to start the installation. I will leave the location as default and click on install. Click on yes. It will take a few minutes and it will be installed. So now you can see your installation is complete. I will close this and now you can go to your system and also see the SPS server running. Start the Management Studio. Now, right now, you can see that by default, it is Windows authentication. So you can connect like this. If you encounter an issue, go to Options, Trust the Server Certificate, and then Connect. So you can easily connect here. Currently, there is no database. So in the next video, we will see how to add a database and how to run queries.